heat. During cold weather, every individual has a tendency to rub hands. The rubbing causes friction between the palms of hands, which causes warmth. Hence, we say that friction produces heat. What happens when you suddenly touch a glass of hot water or an ice cube? You will feel a sensation of hotness or coldness. This happens because there is a transfer of energy in both cases. Thus, heat is a form of energy which makes any object hot or cold. Energy is transferred from one body to another body because of the temperature difference between two bodies. The energy transfer from one body to another due to the difference in the temperature is called heat energy. Activity. If a candle burns, the chemical energy is converted into heat energy. When water falls from a great height to the earth, its temperature increases. Hence, the mechanical energy is converted into heat energy. When a body is heated, its energy increases, and when it is cooled, its energy decreases. Unit of heat. The SI unit of heat is joule. The other unit of heat is calorie. 1 calorie can be defined as quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 calorie and 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule is equal to 4.2 joule approximately. Effects of heat. When an object is heated, it undergoes many changes. Some of the effects can be felt and some cannot be. Some effects of heat are given here. Change in temperature. When a body is heated, its temperature rises, which depend upon the amount of heat received by the body from the source of heat. When a body is cooled, it loses heat energy and its temperature falls. The extent of rises or the fall of temperature of a body depend upon the quantity of heat gained or lost by it. We can say that if the heat is the cause, temperature is the effect. Change in size. When a body is heated, an expansion occurs in it. Due to this, the size of the body may change. The expansion of a body due to heating is called thermal expansion. When a material is cooled, it contracts. Heat also accounts for chemical changes which are irreversible and form new substance with different properties. Example, baking of a cake. Heat also affects living organisms. That's why water is boiled for purification. Change in state. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. When a body is heated, there occurs a change in its state. On heating, a solid changes from solid to liquid. When this liquid is further heated, it starts boiling and changes to gaseous state. Conversely, when a material present in gaseous state is cooled, it loses heat energy and changes to liquid state. On further cooling, it changes to solid state. The changes of a substance from one physical state to another is called change of state. The effect of heat is summarized in the form of flowchart as shown here. Fusion or melting. Fusion is a phenomenon in which a solid changes into liquid by absorbing heat. Melting takes place at constant temperature is called melting point, which is different for different substances. For example, the melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Ice, solid, melting at 0 degrees Celsius gives rise to water liquid. Freezing. Freezing is a process in which a liquid changes into solid by giving out heat at constant temperature. The temperature at which freezing takes place is called freezing point. For example, freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Water, liquid, freezing at 0 degrees Celsius, solid gives rise to ice, solid. Vaporization or boiling. Vaporization or boiling is the process in which a liquid changes into gaseous state at constant temperature by absorbing heat energy. That constant temperature is called boiling point, which is different for different liquids. For example, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Water, liquid, vaporization, boiling at 100 degrees Celsius gives rise to steam gas. Condensation, the process in which a substance in its vapor or gaseous state changes into liquid state at constant temperature by releasing heat, is called condensation. The temperature at which condensation occurs is called condensation point. For example, steam changes into water at 100 degrees Celsius, therefore, the condensation point of steam is 100 degrees Celsius. Steam, liquid, condensation, cooling at 100 degrees Celsius gives rise to water, liquid. Sublimation. In sublimation, a solid changes directly into gaseous state by absorbing heat without changing into liquid state. Substances in the solid state are called sublimates and in gaseous states are called sublimes. Some examples of sublimate are camphor, iodine, naphthalene and ammonium chloride. A substance sublimate at constant temperature is called the sublimation point of the substances. Evaporation. The change of the substance from its liquid state to its gaseous state at any temperature is called evaporation. For example, water vapor is always present in the atmosphere due to the process of evaporation. Hot surrounding movement of air and large surface area speed up the process of evaporation. Temperature. When we touch hot water and ice, we feel coldness of ice and hotness of water. Temperature is defined as the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. When two bodies are at different temperature and brought in contact with each other, the heat flows from the hot body to the cold body. The flow of heat will continue until the temperature of both bodies become equal. Measurement of temperature. The temperature is generally measured in degrees Celsius. It is denoted by degree C. There is another unit of measurement, that is degree Fahrenheit, denoted by degree F. The SI unit of temperature, Kelvin, K. Scale of temperature. The most commonly used temperature scales are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. They are related as Celsius minus 0 upon 100 is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 180 is equal to Kelvin minus 273 divided by 100, or Celsius upon 5 is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 9 is equal to Kelvin minus 273 by 5. So, these can be easily converted from one scale to another. To convert the Celsius scale into Fahrenheit scale, Celsius upon 5 is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 9, or Fahrenheit is equal to 9 Celsius upon 5 plus 32. Celsius is equal to 5 Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 9. Celsius is equal to Kelvin minus 273. Fact: a vacuum flask keeps a hot liquid hot or cold liquid cold by keeping the transfer of heat between the contents and the surrounding to a minimum. Temperature of a body can be easily converted from Celsius to Kelvin simply by adding 273 with Celsius temperature. For example, 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 100 plus 273 is equal to 373 Kelvin.